Get out of my shop, woman.
Thank you.
So I'm set up to bring these rails in to meet that because they're sitting too wide right now. I measured the outside diameter right here and the inside diameter right here. Did some maths. It comes out we got to bring each side in 4.5 millimeters. Clamp this ruler down here. I've got it marked right there. I'll heat this one up first. Bring that in 4.5 millimeters. And then I'll do the same thing with this side and I can just work off of this gauge over here too. To get the aluminum ready for welding, first you need to clean it with acetone and then hit it with a wire brush, a stainless wire brush that has only been used on aluminum. Frame rails came in nice. Move this all over. Time to get this motor back in. That way everything's mocked up, ready to tack, and then weld it. All loaded up, ready to go for welding. So I dropped the bike off to have everything tacked, and now I'm going to go through and strip everything down. Can't get around all the angles to do a decent job on this, so we tacked everything in place, and now it's time to strip the bike. So you can see, I tacked these guys down here. Tacked that, tacked all of those. We got a couple tacks down the bottom, right up in here. And actually ran right across that one. So at this point, we're going to strip everything down just to the main frame, take it back, and we'll finish up the welding. So the bike is back from welding. Got all of the main mounts welded up for the engine to go in. So we're going to try to retest the fit the engine right now and make sure everything's still good. There we go. everything still lines up. Next steps are going to be figuring out the exhaust pipe. That's going to have to be modified, and the mounting points for that, where the coil is going to go, and the air box for it. So join me on the next video to see how that goes. Thanks for watching. See ya. Oh, that's why it didn't want to fit.